Nice.
Two good long straight punches. Down goes Soe Lin Oo. Rule the slip.
Soe Lin Oo is coming in with those very slippery head movement.
Good left hand and a big right hand.
Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, with a record of 17 wins and 3 losses, from Chongqing, China, China's kickboxing prodigy, Soe Lin Oo. And his opponent, fighting out of the red corner, with a record of 52 wins, 2 losses, and 37 draws, from Cayenne State, Myanmar, the Iron Man, Soe Lin Oo.
Round 1.
Zhao Wenwen entering 17 wins against 3 losses. Soe Lin Oo 52 wins against just 2 defeats, 37 draws. Round number 1. Blue trunks for Zhao Wenwen, red trunks for Soe Lin Oo.
Great cheese.
With the right hand and the lead left hook from Zhao Wenwen. Jump knee, caught, and there's the dump from Soe Lin Oo.
Beautiful technique of the dump.
Right on the inside fighting, the clinch. Counter body lock from Zhao Wenwen.
Soe Lin Oo's got this very slippy punch. You just can't land on it. He's got this coming in, and he slips left and right. Very hard to land a punch on his head.
Zhao Wenwen trying to establish his jab, misses with the lead uppercut, lands the overhand right, then the left hand. Good sequence. The back's right to the outside. Soe Lin Oo slowly trying to walk down Zhao Wenwen. And to the inside, there's the clinch. Looking to turn, and he does. Puts Zhao Wenwen's back against the ropes, and a good turn right back from Zhao Wenwen, and a turn right back indeed from Oo. Right hand from Soe Lin Oo.
Nice.
Two good long straight punches. Down goes Soe Lin Oo. Rule the slip.
Nice lock jab from the blue corner. Showing you
25 seconds remaining in our main event, round number 1. Zhao Wenwen off balance. Oo pounces. Short left hand on the inside from Soe Lin Oo. Big elbow strike from Zhao Wenwen right back, and there are the uppercuts. Good pace to round number 1. Ferocious finish to this opening round. Fighter swinging big from the inside. That is the end of the opening round. And already a mouse is formed. Corner of the left eye on the face of Zhao Wenwen. Zhao Wenwen does not look intimidated in his WLC debut. He was the runner-up at the 2015 Chinese National Championships. The 3rd appearance in World Lightweight Championship for Soe Lin Oo. He's a 2-time gold belt champion. Good left hand and a big right hand. Zhao Wenwen early on round number 2 in all sorts of trouble trying to circle out. Another left hand, the right hand, down goes Zhao Wenwen.
That was a clean punch. I think that was the jaw to the face.
3, 4.
He's going down. Looks like he hurt his knee. I'm not sure if it did pop out. He could not stand.
8.
Round number 2, turning up the tempo from round 1 for the finish.
Ladies and gentlemen, the referee has called an end to the fights via TKO the Iron Man, Soe Lin Oo!
In our main event of the evening, Soe Lin Oo continues his outstanding run of form, taking out the very talented Zhao Wenwen of China. The winner, by way of second round knockout, Soe Lin Oo defeats Zhao Wenwen. Michael Badado, outstanding in your commentary debut here at WLC 6 Heartless Tigers.
Thank you very much. I was nervous, but it was a pleasure working with you tonight, Sean. Just wanted to say thank you to the WLC as well. And to all the fans and all the supporters out there, thank you. And just remember, it's good to be a badass.